It's Margarita, and today we are taking it to the House of Sillage with their newest collection, the Atelier Gourmand Collection, Cream Chiffon. Does this not look like the happiest thing on earth? Let me tell you something. House of Sillage definitely knows how to present a bottle. Look at this. Now, this, I believe, is my first series of reviews from the House of Sillage, mainly because I had bottles and I sold them or swapped them or whatever, because I like gourmand fragrances. Now that they have a gourmand collection, I blind bought the entire one. Y'all, I could not wait. Oh my goodness. Look at this bottle, shall we? Complete with the cherry on top. It's got little popsicles and cupcakes and ice cream cones and, of course, about 150 Swarovski crystals. Of course, now you know, House of Sillage's bottles don't play. These cupcakes are amazing, if nothing else, for display purposes. And then the boxes they come in are super cute too. I figured I would spare you all the crinkling and just show you the box. But yes, they match. They're wonderful for display. And their quality is really good as well. Now, the bottles are heavy. You can use these as a weapon in case of emergency. Hopefully you won't have to. But I digress. But it's even got the name etched in the bottom of the cap. It's just so elegant. House of Sillage is elegant. Everybody isn't wearing it because you really can't find it anywhere unless you go to their site. And enough about that. Let's get into the fragrance, shall we? Now, y'all know I'm a gourmand lover. Anything that tastes or smells like it tastes like something, I'm all for it. So I'm going to spritz this here. I just barely touched it, and the atomizer is amazing. I'm not sure if you can see the emollients on my hand, but the sprayers are wonderful on these. And while this is drying down, let's read the notes. Bitter orange, brown sugar, grapefruit, olibanum, benzoin, heliotrope, vanilla, whipped cream, Haitian vetiver, and white musk. Now, this fragrance is chock full of notes that my body chemistry loves, such as musk, whipped cream. Well, I think my taste buds like that more than my body chemistry does. And vanilla, the brown sugar, the orange, and the grapefruit. This is a beautiful blend. This is beautiful. It is a beautiful, sophisticated gourmand. And it takes a real gourmand lover to appreciate this. This is a gourmand for people who don't even necessarily like gourmand. Like, my mother hates vanilla fragrances. Vanilla is my favorite. She used to basically kick me out the house anytime I sprayed my vanilla. She's like, don't spray that in the house. Wait till you go out. But I think that even she might appreciate, I'm not going to say like, she might appreciate this. So if you're someone who is very shy of a gourmand because it smells too juvenile or too sickly sweet, this is a really good choice. This is very similar, not identical, but it puts you in the, or puts me in the mindset of Billie Eilish's fragrance, which I also own and love. And there's a review of that on this channel as well. But y'all, this is so beautiful. It's similar, but not identical to where Eilish will substitute this. Oh no, honey, this is date night right here. This is boss lady right here. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love this. I love it when I have a successful blind buy, especially one that costs $400, right? But if you have not smelled this, or if you have, I know they have the samplers on their site, or if you just want a travel size for a fraction of the cost of what it would cost on their site, I do decant every fragrance in my collection. This is on my website, whistlenotes.com. So if you want to try a small sample, or if you want to try a travel size, I do have those as well at a fraction of the cost. But I digress. I just love sharing my love of fragrance. So I'm happy to decant my collection for people who may not want to invest hundreds of dollars in a bottle. You can get a decant for a fraction of the cost. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. House of Sillage, you have done it. 2 thumbs up on this cream chiffon. Y'all did vanilla right. I cannot wait to wear this on a date. It's cold in Chicago, but vanilla is such a warm and cozy scent. So, you know, remind you of being in front of the fireplace or at the ski lodge with your cup of hot cocoa. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, but I digress. Anywho, what's your favorite scent from the Atelier collection? You all, I'm so glad that they rolled out a gourmand collection, because now they have got your girl hook, line, and sinker. Stay tuned for more reviews. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.